Next one, I am going to code the service section. So as you can see, in the final edition, there is a small icons here. We didn't make these icons by making the PNG file and bring them as a picture. There's actually a very easy way that we are going to use it to bring these icons or these social media's icons. First, let me code them. So the section, there is a service and ID against service because it will use for the navigation menu. The title, we have a h3 with the class of the title. And there is a UL, unordered list, which has a 3 list li. Inside every list there is a I tag. I'm going to talk about this a bit more in this video. Class fa camera. Then there is a h4. And there is a paragraph. Copy them 2 times more. Just change the class for the I. Now refresh it and you don't see those icons. So how we bring those icons? Here is the link to the font awesome icons. You see here there is a small icons, and if any of them, you see there is that FA and then the name of the icon. Any of them that you want, you just click on the try it. The first thing you need to do is to copy this link in the head of your HTML file. This will work for the all icons. It is not just for this icon. So if you want to use these icons, you need to add this link in the head section. Then you can just see what is the I class for this icon. So after I add this link and I refresh it, the web page, you see the icons appear.